Meaning of height.
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 Height. Height typically refers to the measurement of an object or person from base to top. It is commonly used to describe the distance or vertical extent between 2 points in space. Height can be measured in various units such as meters, feet, or centimeters. Height is an important aspect when considering physical attributes of individuals, and is often used in medical, sports, or architectural contexts. It can also refer to a high degree or level of something, such as intellectual height or emotional height, indicating a degree of excellence or intensity.